Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we want to read the story of Jack who needs to finish a report but he has a problem. We're going to see what that problem is, and while reading this text we are going to learn some collocations with the word take. Collocations with take. What words are used with take? So let's start. Jack was working in a noisy cafe trying to finish his report. A noisy cafe. Noisy is opposite for calm. So it is not calm, it is not relaxing, it's noisy. There is a lot of noise. I think in Italian they call it rumorosa. Rumorosa? Okay, so it's a noisy cafe. He had 3 coffees, listened to a baby cry for 20 minutes, and spilled sauce on his laptop. So he has a lot of coffee, listens to a baby cry, a baby cry for 20 minutes, and spilled sauce. You see in the picture, there was some sauce. He spilled it onto the laptop. So it's not going well. A lot of problems. He had 3 coffees, listened to a baby cry for 20 minutes, and spilled sauce on his laptop. At that moment, he thought, if I don't escape, I'll start screaming like the baby. He closed his eyes and took a deep breath. So he was like, okay, I cannot take it anymore. I've had it. You can use the phrase, I've had it. It means it's enough for me. I cannot take this anymore. So that's the phrase, take this anymore. That's a collocation, right? I can't take it anymore. It means I cannot tolerate this. I can't tolerate this anymore. So at that moment, he thought, if I don't escape is go away fast, leave a place. If I don't escape, I'll start screaming. Screaming is like, screaming. He will start screaming like the baby. He closed his eyes and said, I need to take a deep breath. Take a breath. So that's the phrase with take. Take a breath. That's one of the collocations. Take a breath. Take a breath is take a deep breath. Okay. He wiped the sauce from his laptop as best as he could. Look at that phrase, it's interesting. As best as he could. He wiped the sauce from his laptop as best as he could. Then he packed his things quickly and stood up. See, he took everything he had, he packed his things and stood up. He left the cafe and walked outside into the fresh air. So he was like, I'm out of here. It's enough for me. I'm out of here. So he left the cafe and walked outside into the fresh air. For some reason, the cow is following him, by the way. I don't know. All right. Feeling calm now, Jack smiled and started to work again. So now he was fresh. He was feeling better and he started to work again. The baby is still crying, by the way. Okay, so that's the phrase we learned, take a break. He needed to take a break and he also needed to take a deep breath. Pay attention. Take a break is stop working, and take a deep breath is inhale oxygen. There are a few questions there that you can practice for yourselves, but also we can review some, collocations with take. And here they are. The first one is take a break. We already discussed take a break is to stop working for a short time. Another one is take a seat. Take a sit. Take a seat means to sit down. Pay attention to the pronunciation difference. The first one is seat. The second one is sit. So sit down is take a seat. Please take a seat and wait. He took a seat near the window. The teacher said, take a seat, everyone. So when the teacher comes to class, it's like, okay, everyone, please take a seat. Next one, take notes. Take notes. You take notes during class. Write important information. Students took notes during the lecture. She always takes notes in meetings. I took notes while watching the video. So if something is important, you take notes. Take your time. Take your time means don't worry. Take your time slowly. You can do this. So it means do something slowly without hurry. So to do something slowly, take your time. If you feel that the person in front of you is rushing unnecessarily, they're in a rush, you say, okay, take your time. Take your time with the test. He told her to take her time choosing. So he was choosing something and he was in a dilemma. He didn't know what to choose. And she was like, it's okay, don't worry, take your time, you can choose this. And last one, take your time, no need to rush. Rush is to do something fast, to be in a hurry. So take your time, no need to rush. Next one, take care. Be careful. Take care means look after yourself, be careful. take care on the road. Like you're driving, I always tell my wife, take care on the road. She said, bye, take care. It's like goodbye, take care of yourself. He takes care of his little sister, so he is responsible for her. Next one, take responsibility. It's accepting duty or blame. He took responsibility for the mistake. Parents take responsibility for their children. That's great. They take responsibility for their children. She took responsibility for the project. It's like, okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to be responsible for it. She took responsibility for the project. Next one, take advantage of. Use something well or unfairly, depends. For example, take advantage of this chance. It's great. Like, use it well. Take advantage of this chance. He took advantage of the free Wi-Fi. Don't let people take advantage of you. So here is the negative version, like when people take advantage of you. So it says, don't let people do that. And last one, probably, take part in something is to participate in something, to join or participate. She took part in the contest. Many students took part in the play. He took part in the discussion. So pay attention, it's take part in something. Pay attention to the pronunciation. It's take part in, also participate in. A lot of my students from Italy say participate to an activity. I think it's because of a false friend in Italian. But remember, in English, it's participate in, take part in. So take part in an activity or participate in an activity. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video and take care of yourselves.